Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming essentials so the fix can proceed smoothly. First, open Settings and install pending Windows updates, then update the OneDrive app. Next, verify you are signed into the correct Microsoft account. Mismatched accounts cause sync conflicts. Once done, test your internet speed and switch to a wired connection if possible to eliminate network variability. Make sure you have admin access, because you may restart services or run repair commands in the next steps. Now you will diagnose and fix syncing issues directly. Pause OneDrive syncing, wait 10 seconds, then resume to force a fresh connection. This often clears transient errors. Open the Activity Center to spot files with conflicts, rename or move those files, and then re-add them to the folder. If problems persist, run the OneDrive reset command from Run. This restarts the client without deleting files and rebuilds the local database. Make sure to wait a few minutes for the client to reindex and reconnect. Finish by relinking or reinstalling when the reset did not fully resolve issues. Unlink your account from OneDrive settings, then sign back in to force a full resync. Also verify file path lengths under 260 characters, remove illegal characters like asterisk, and confirm you have sufficient OneDrive storage. If errors continue, sign out, clear the local OneDrive cache folder, and start a clean sync. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, check Event Viewer for OneDrive error codes to guide advanced fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.